If you're worried about the Bitcoin crash, stop. I'm gonna tell you exactly why you shouldn't be. Everyone is panicking because Bitcoin crashed to 60k and it's normal. But here is what you need to understand. Last year, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, said that he thinks Bitcoin might go to 500 to 700k per Bitcoin. And a lot of people laughed because they don't know the plan of the biggest fund in the world, BlackRock. You see, BlackRock is not a simple fund. They manage over $10 trillion of assets. And I'm not gonna go deep about BlackRock on this video, but most of the people that are saying Bitcoin is a scam are getting their information from the comments of a reel. Obviously, someone will say crypto is a scam and everyone will like his comment just to feel better about themselves, and you shouldn't do that. Especially in today's world, you need to get the right information from the right person, and my information, I get it from the source. If Larry think that way, why would I care about a comment? And before we go further on this video, this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Look, if you're panicking right now, it's really normal. Bitcoin is one of the most volatile assets in the world. And a lot of people don't understand that when gold dropped in the last few days from $5,500 to $5,000, the amount of money that disappeared from gold in one day was bigger than the money put in Bitcoin and all cryptos, which we call the market cap. This shows you that Bitcoin is gonna be super volatile until the market cap increases. Bitcoin has proved itself as a digital asset in the recent years, but still not enough. And yes, it's risky, it needs more liquidity, but that's it. Now, when it comes to the short-term analysis, when it comes to the technical analysis, fundamental, and what's already happening in the world right now, it doesn't look really good for Bitcoin. It's short-term bearish. And I've been transparent about that. I honestly shorted Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, and I made money from this crash. Even though I still believe in Bitcoin long term, but I cannot just hold it and be a Bitcoin maximalist and never sell. Because for me, all these people that are like pro Bitcoin and wanna never sell, those people, it doesn't make sense. How do you make money? For me, it only makes sense if you bought Bitcoin when it was 10 cents, $1, then yeah, you can hold and just do nothing and it will increase in value. But for me, if I'm gonna hold Bitcoin, will I keep waiting? It doesn't make any sense. I just need to make money consistently so I can pay for my expenses, my family, and everything else. That's why I trade it. I don't let my emotions and my belief into this technology influence me into not shorting it or longing it dependent on the market conditions. And it's not just me, it's also the members inside my private community. They think the same way. So yeah, you need to make money by riding the movement, and I've been transparent about this. When it drops, I short it, and when it goes up, I take a long. I don't have the capital to buy tons of Bitcoin and just wait and magically make money after 2-3 years. I need to make money right now. I need to trade right now. I need to, you know what I mean? So always like stop the emotion, see what makes sense for you. That's where most people freeze up, they get scared. So yeah, don't be scared, just trade it. But let's say you don't really want to go into futures trading and learn how to trade, which I understand. Then for me, buying and holding is still a good strategy, even though it's not gonna give you so much returns in the short term, but in the long term, potentially you can get some rewards. I still think Bitcoin is a long-term asset. And if that's the case for you, if you believe in the adoption, then stop worrying about technical analysis, because you know, Bitcoin goes up, goes down, but over a period of 10-20 years, things potentially could change. And in my opinion, the best strategy if you're a long-term holder is the dollar cost average, which means you're gonna buy Bitcoin a little by little over time without worrying about the technical analysis. And yeah, that's one of the reasons I'm making this video, because I saw a lot of people are just talking nonsense on Bitcoin, spreading FUD, and each bull run I tell myself, this time people are gonna get it about Bitcoin. But the moment it goes down, everyone starts screaming Bitcoin is a scam, crypto is a scam, Bitcoin doesn't work, you know, like, and it is what it is. I'm trying to change that. You gotta always see the bigger picture. So yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I hope I could make you see a new perspective. Subscribe and like, and see you on the next one.